Herkese merhaba. Ben Moji. Yeni dersimize hoş geldiniz. Hello everybody, this is Moji and I'm back with another grammar video. In today's video, we're going to work on yes no questions and WH questions in Turkish. Let's get started. Well, these are the signs of the suffixes actually for yes no questions. And they depend on the previous word that like the word that comes before them. How? Let's see how. If the in the previous word, the last vowel ends in a or the question word is m. If the last vowel in the word before the question suffix is e or e, the question suffix is mi. If the last vowel is o or u, it is mu. And if the last vowel in the previous word is or ü, the question word is mu. How come? Let's see. 1. Bu sandalye mi? Bu sandalye. Sandalye. The last vowel in sandalye is e, right? You remember we said if the last vowel is e, the question word is mi. Bu sandalye mi? Is this a chair? Evet, bu sandalye. Yeah, this is a chair. Şu köpek mi? Köpek. The last vowel. The last vowel doesn't need to be like the last letter. The last vowel is very important. Şu köpek mi? Köpek mi? Hayır, köpek değil. No, it's not a dog. See? And we also have a positive and negative sentence. 3. O sözlük mü? Sözlük. Sözlük. Ü. Last vowel ü. So the question word is also mü. Evet, şu sözlük. 4. Şu sözlük mü? Hayır, o gözlük. Şu gözlük mü? Glasses. Hayır, o gözlük değil. No, it's not glasses. Or it's not a glass, we can say. And we have some WH questions. Let's see what they are. Ne means what. Bu ne? What is it? Şu ne? What is that? O ne? What is that? We can say. Ne? What? Kim? Who? O kim? Who is he? Who is she? Or we can also say kimo when somebody knocks the door, rings the doorbell, we say kimo, who's that? Kime means to whom. Kime konuşuyorsun? To whom are you talking? Or who are you talking to? See, in English it's kind of different, but in Turkish kime means to whom. Kime konuşuyorsun? To whom are you talking? Or whom are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Kimin? Whose? Kimin kalemi bu? Whose pencil is this? Kimin kalemi bu? Whose pencil is this? Hangi? Which? Hangi üniversitede okudun? Which university did you graduate from? Or did you study in? Hangi üniversite de? De means like in university. In which university you studied actually. Hangisi? Which one? Hangisi daha ucuz? Which one is cheaper? Hangisi daha ucuz? Which one is cheaper? Daha ucuz, cheaper. Ne zaman? When? Ne zaman işe gidiyorsun? When are you going to work? Nerede or nerede? Nerede or nerede? We write it as nerede, but we say nerede. Where? Nerede oturuyorsun? Here it is a typing mistake actually. Let me just fix it. It's not. It's like nerede. Nerede yaşıyorsun? Oturuyorsun? Where do you live? In English, actually, in English we say to live somewhere, but in Turkish we say to sit somewhere. It means it's like it has the meaning of living. Nerede oturuyorsun? Where do you live? Pendik'te oturuyorum. I live in Pendik, for example. Nereden or nereden? Nereden from where? Nereden geliyorsun? From where are you coming? Remember then, de, in, then, from. Nereden geliyorsun? Where are you coming from? Right? Şişli'den geliyorum. Taksim'den geliyorum. I'm coming from Şişli. I'm coming from Taksim. They are neighborhoods here in Istanbul. Nereye? To where. Be careful. De, in, then, from, because we have two we need ye in between. Means like to. Nereye? To where. Nereye gidiyorsun? To where are you going? Or where are you going to? Ne kadar? How much or how long? It has both meanings. Bu elbise ne kadar? How much is this dress? Ne kadar sonra buradasın? How long it takes you to come here? You can say. Kaç tane? How many? Sınıfta kaç tane öğrenci var? How many students are there in the classroom? Nasıl? How? Okula nasıl gidiyorsun? How do you go to school? Nasılsın? How are you? İşler nasıl? How is it going? See, it has the meaning of how, always. Niçin? It's like ne için or niçin. And neden. They mean why. Neden üzgünsün? Why are you sad? Niçin üzgünsün? Why you are sad? What is the reason that you are sad? That's all for this grammar. Yes, no questions and WH questions in Turkish. The most important thing, actually, you know the meaning of all these question words. And the most important thing is this part. Don't forget, I mean, try to just remember this rule. It is very important and it is practical, useful in Turkish language. Well, I hope you make the most of this video. Don't forget to leave us comments and recommend our channel to your friends. Kendinize çok iyi bakın ve görüşmek üzere.